Hey everyone, Lennon here, LFI Digital Marketing once again. So in my last video, I went over how to supercharge your sales funnel and I went over the basic structure of a sales funnel. If you haven't seen it yet, there's a link in the email or in the description somewhere below this video. All right. So let's just say, you have some people in your sales funnel, which means you got their attention, which means you've created some interest and desire. But people can be hesitant to, take action and buy from you right away. Sometimes it takes multiple exposures, building some trust and rapport with you and building a relationship. But let's not let your hard work go to waste. So now I'm going to go over how to nurture these people within each stage of your sales funnel until they take action. All right, so let's hop right into it. So here go a few ways to nurture. So you have some follow-ups, such as email, you got content, retargeting ads, those kinds of things. So when it comes to email, this should already be a core component of your sales funnel to begin with. This gives you a way to stay in touch, provide value, and continue to share your offer with your leads that you've already acquired. Try creating segments to cater your message for people at each stage of your funnel, such as, top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, and the bottom of the funnel. You want to cater it to each stage, wherever your lead is. Try to make sure you're collecting info like first names and use it to customize your email for a more personal touch. So rather than just a generic subject line, you can try to include their first name in it to make it, more personal. So that way you're still building that relationship with your subscribers. The next thing is content. Now, content such as blog posts and YouTube videos are great for sharing with your leads. These formats let you teach and give greater value with longer content. That way, you build that trust you need to move people through your funnel, no matter if they're at the top, the middle, or the bottom of it. And add a bonus, video allows them to see you and hear your voice, which makes you a real person instead of just some random person, behind a keyboard. The last one here, retargeting ads. So this is most helpful for people who have made it to the bottom of your funnel. This is where they've seen your ad, they've seen your landing page or your sales page. They just haven't really taken the chance to take action and to buy. So once you've gotten a lead, you can use retargeting ads to get your offer in front of them again and push them right over the edge, right when they're ready to buy. You can just show it to them wherever they go. So retargeting ad is basically where, have you seen these advertisements? Like, for example, you go on Amazon, you see a product. Let's just say, for example, you go on Amazon and you see a product for, I don't know, some kind of electronic device. Well, once you get out of Amazon, you start seeing this ad everywhere like it's following you. That's an example of a retargeting ad. It continues to get in front of your lead until it pushes them over the edge, and not in a bad way. I'm talking about the edge to buy, to take action. So I hope that was helpful. I'm going to keep diving into it more and more. And the next things I'll go over